Hi, I'm Jesse with American Radon Mitigation. In this video, we're going to look at how a radon mitigation system works. The whole reason you have a radon problem is because your house is drawing it in. And what I mean by that is as warm air rises and escapes out the top of your house, more air is drawn in down low to replace that air. And a small percentage of that air has the radon in it. So we design a mitigation system, which is basically a ventilation system, to create suction under the entire home. So one of the first components of the radon mitigation system is the suction point, and that's where we draw all that soil gas to the radon mitigation system. So here we core the hole through the floor, we excavate some soil, and then we'll tie into the drain tile by cutting a hole in the top of it that'll allow for more airflow. The next step would be to seal the pipe in the floor and run it out the house. So after we've got the suction point established, the next step is to seal the vent pipe into the floor, and then it runs up and out into the garage. If your house has a sump basket with an unsealed cover, we'll make sure that we install a sealed cover so the radon system isn't drawing conditioned air that you're paying to heat and cool out of your house. So here we've got our vent pipe that comes up from the basement, out into the garage, and up into the attic. And we are going through a firewall when we go through a garage. So we've got a fire stop collar that maintains the integrity of your firewall. So the reason we insulate this pipe is to keep the air in the pipe warmer, so less likely to freeze in the winter. And then it also prevents condensation from forming so that pipe won't get all full of mold and mildew over time. So now we're up in the attic. We've got our pipe coming up to our radon fan. This is what creates the suction under the house. We've got our electrician that added the outlet here. And then from here, it exhausts all that radon out above the house. So finally, we're up on the roof here. We've got our vent pipe coming out. We've got our critter guard cap on the top here that'll keep birds, squirrels, acorns out of that fan. A lot of people ask about a rain cap. What about rain getting in there? The rain is gonna go through the radon fan. All the pipe is pitched back to our suction point. So any rain that does get in there is gonna end up under the slab. And this is going to be able to pull more moisture out from under your home in one day than you'll get in a year's worth of rainfall down that pipe. I'm Jesse with American Radon Mitigation. If you have any questions, give us a call. Thanks for watching.